and welcome back. Now I have tried the picoworkers website. I have signed up. As you can see here, here's me, and I got a 75-cent bonus on the balance just for signing up. And then I actually tried to click on this small jobs, and I started going down them one by one. And let me say this is pretty much one of the worst ways that you can earn some extra money. I can click on this one, for example. Here you will earn, what is it? Is it like 10 cents or something? Where you have to go to Google, search for blah, 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 and then visit the blog, stay 1 minute on the website, read 6 articles carefully and slowly, and then click a banner. And then afterwards, you have to post the last sentences of 3 articles that you have read, and then you have to link the banner before you can send it in, and will be paid 10 cents if you've done it correctly. And it's all of this. And I have to say that it's a lot of work, and you will be spammed a lot because you have to enter emails, you have to enter, I don't know, Facebook accounts, and you have to put in a lot of time in order for it to actually be worth your while. Actually, she only pays like 4 cents, so that's worse. So people who are doing this, they must have a lot of patience. And I actually don't think it's worth the time of day. So I am actually going to shut my account down, and I don't care about the 75 cents, but I will say don't use picoworkers, you guys. It's not good, and I don't think that you will generate any real money from it. It will take you actually too long just to generate $5, and it's stupid work where you have to click and link, and then you have to do the extra linking and post pictures and whatever, so they can be sure that you actually did what you said you wanted to do. So far I earned 75 cents for signing up, but I think we will have to say that this is not a way you are gonna make any money unless you have a lot of time and don't mind your email being filled up or whatever. So we can safely shut this one down and say, this is not how you are gonna make money online, you guys. So anyway, stay tuned. Then next time we're gonna talk about this app called Sweatcoin that I just installed on my iPhone, and we're gonna talk about other ways where YouTubers say that you can earn money. But next time, Sweatcoin. Okay, you guys. Bye.